In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out in Android. The first step you want to do is check quick settings. For that, swipe down from the top of your screen. Now swipe down again to expand your quick settings. Here tap on the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth toggle. If nothing happens, then continue to the next step. For this, you want to restart your device. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart. Wait for the phone to reboot. After it has been restarted, check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is working. If it is still not working, then we can move on to the next step. For this, launch open your settings. Now tap Apps. Now tap on the filter icon and select Show System Apps. Then locate Bluetooth, tap on that. Now tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. After that, you want to locate Wi-Fi, tap Wi-Fi, then tap Storage and then tap Clear Cache. If your problem is still not fixed, then you want to reset your network settings. For that, go back to Settings, tap General, now tap on Reset, now tap on Reset Network Settings. Here tap on the Reset Settings option, then confirm by entering your PIN. Once you have reset your settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth should start working normally. You will need to reconnect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.